Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to run Linux GUI on your Windows computer? Then you are in the right spot. Let's start the video without any ado. I'm going to start with the requirements, the prerequisites to install the Linux GUI. To do so, firstly, you need to have the Linux installed on your computer through the WSL. If you need any help in installing any of the distributions, you can check out my video. I will include the list on top left corner and also in the description as well. So once you have installed this Kali Linux, you will need to enable an optional feature to run the GUI. You need to enable it by using this command. Please enter this command and click on yes. Once you click on yes, it will deploy a management tool which will install the command, and you need to wait for it to go to 100%, and once it is done, the management tool will give you a prompt on the PowerShell. You need to click on yes. Once you click on yes, that will restart your computer. So if you are running any other thing on your computer, please save it before you click on yes. And once you restart your computer, just get back to the PowerShell, and you need to use the command to enable the virtualization feature. And once you click on enter, this will also deploy a management tool. And once it is done, we have one more thing to run. The other optional feature is this. You can use this by running the deployment tool again. And once it is enabled, you need to set the WSL version. I'm going to show you a command to do so. But before that, if you need any help with the WSL commands, you can check my video on the basic commands. I've included the link in the description and as well as top left corner. So to enable the WSL to default version 2, you need to enter this command, and you can see the operation is now complete. And once it is done, now get back to the PowerShell, and I got out of the administrative view. I'm into the normal view. And when you see on the top left corner, you have a small arrow next to the tab. You need to click on it, and you need to select the Linux distribution, the Kali Linux. And once it is launched, basically I'm going to check for the updates of the OS. To do so, I'm going to type in sudo opt upgrade, which will give me all the basic updates in the OS. And initially it will ask you for a password just to make sure you are the right user. And as you're seeing, it is deploying the services, and it will fetch all the updates available. So very first thing I do is I'm going to update my Linux to the latest version. So this is going to take a moment. So I'm going to fast forward this process. Once the OS is upgraded completely, now I'm going to run a command to install the Linux GUI on the computer. So the command we use to install it is this, and you can click on enter, and once it is done, it is going to install the complete GUI. So depending on your system configuration, the installation will take some time, could be an hour and a two in some cases. So please be patient. I'm going to install this completely, and I'm going to skip this video for now. Okay, now I'm done with the installation. So once it is done, to launch the GUI, I'm going to use this command. A small bar like a start bar will come up on top of my screen, and through there I can use all the Linux applications on my computer, as well as I can also use the Linux command line bash directly without side loading on my computer. Hope this video is useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.